Satsakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
From the mouth the palate became manifested, and thereupon the tongue was also generated. After this all the different tastes came into existence, so that the tongue can relish them. This gradual process of evolution suggests the explanation of the controlling deities, because Varun is the controlling deity for all relishable juices. Therefore the mouth becomes the resting place for the tongue, which tastes all the different juices, of which the controlling deity is Varun. This suggests, therefore, that Varun was also generated along with the development of the tongue. The tongue and the palate, being instrumental, are adibhutam, or forms of matter, but the functioning deity, who is a living entity, is adhidaiva, whereas the person undergoing the function is adhyatma. Thus the three categories are also explained as to their birth after the opening of the mouth of the Virat Purusha. The four principles mentioned in this verse serve to explain the three main principles, namely the adhyatma, adhidaiva, and adhibhutam, as explained before.